Adil? I'm joking. Look at Adil. Hi guys, we'll be going to buy a car today. It's I can't tell you where it is, but once we get there, I'll show you. Yeah, stay tuned, guys.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
On the road.
Who's connected?
Me.
I'm gonna do
Walk ahead. See, unfortunately, bouncer. Unfortunately, Bob's can't make it today because he's working. So I guess it's just us four, yeah, in the car, yeah. So yeah, poor Bob's. So, but he's making money. That's the main thing. This car is not very expensive. It might be expensive for some people, but I think it's reasonable for the prices. It's not a very expensive car or like amazing car, but it's a project that we will be doing on it. So yeah.
I know you guys are probably thinking, what is Bob's doing in this video? First of all, the video was going perfectly well, as you guys saw. However, I forgot to charge the camera, so the battery ran out.
Shame. Shame.
So unfortunately, anyway, that was one thing. There was a second issue. Bouncer bought the car back, and guess what happened? The turbo blew up on the car. So that took another couple of days to sort out. However, the car now has a new turbo in the car. Bouncer's obviously a couple of £100 lighter, unfortunately. Still, the car has still cost in the region of about 500 quid. So let's have a look at what £500 buys you in Bradford.
Let me tell you bits about the car. It's a VW Golf, Volkswagen Golf, 1.9 TDI, good on fuel. You know, it's got high mileage, very high mileage. It's got 211,000 on the clock.
How much?
211,000. It's one of them high mileage heroes. You know, engine's beautiful on it. You know, drives beautiful. You know, the only thing is the cosmetic. It's not in the best conditions.
Shall I look inside?
Yeah, let's have a look inside. Yeah. This is the best bit. This is the best bit, guys.
you'll have to open the car first, bro.
Right. Recaro bucket seats. It's called colour concept. So it's two-tone. Apparently they came in limited edition. Seats, the gear knob, the gear gator, handbrake, back seats are all like colour coded.
What about that wire over there? Does that give it extra 10 bhp?
Yeah, that's giving 500 bhp. So
Right,
it's
okay.
£500 car, 500 bhp. Yeah, so every pound counts. You know, per towards bhp.
Guys, I don't know how much truth is in that, but yeah. Okay.
So other than that, 211,000, and yeah, but mechanically it's fine. We got the turbo changed because the turbo basically decided to break itself while we were.
What's the plan then for the future?
First of all, we're gonna get the whatever need like brakes. I think the brakes need doing. The brakes are a bit, they're not very good. Might get some. Just wait and see, guys. Just wait and see. So the brakes, bodywork. There's touch-ups, obviously the bonnet, as you can see here, the bonnet. When I first seen it, I was like, because look at that. Someone tried to do their own job on it and they scratched the hole. Obviously lacquer peeling off there as well. And yeah, so there's bird poo as well, as you can see there as well. That gives it like the lacquer effect, you know, it gives like the shiny effect.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, as well, yeah. So yeah, and yeah, obviously if you come around the back, as you can see, this gives you 300 pounds kg of downforce, and yeah, this is like a little touch, you know, looks pretty good. And yeah, as you can see, these little black dots because we've been to warp speed, and yeah, it's oil really, but yeah. So you got some like Canadian flag there, so it's been to Canada as well.
Looks like the Star of David.
Yeah.
Might be an Israeli car.
Probably, yeah, I don't know, but yeah, but yeah, it's been to Canada and back, and yeah, it's hit America a few times as well. So yeah. So yeah, basically,
So what's the plan?
The plan is making it 500 horsepower diesel. No, we're not going to do that. We don't got that much money.
Right guys, that kind of sums it up for now. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you do, please smash that like button. And if you guys have got any ideas of what you want us to do with the car, what you want me to, like, you know, put into the car, into the engine, leave it in the comments below.
You don't know how to do it. I'm going to do it.
Okay, yeah.
I know nothing about cars. You know, I'm going to do it.
Well, he's got a point actually, guys.
I
don't know anything. Yeah, all I know is how to drive a car. In terms of modifying the car, that's his department over here. This is the kind of car you get for £500 in Bradford, in Yorkshire, or even in England for that matter. For the future, guys, this is not the only kind of cars that we're going to be buying. We're going to be buying other cars, and I'm going to be reviewing other cars. Some cars may be like this, some cars are going to be better than this, some cars are going to be really better than this. So keep an eye out on the channel. Whatever, like I said, leave it in the comments below. So guys, till next time, this is Bobsy Bounce, signing out.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.